I'm Christine White in the Beads Incorporated studio. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are happy to have found my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. You can even tap the bell icon next to the subscribe and you'll receive notifications every time I come out with a new video. I call today's technique happy charms because they're sure to put a smile on your face. It's so much fun that we can create an easy, simple charm that you can wear, share, and collect. Materials that you'll need to create this technique are 3-inch head pins, assorted bright colored beads, tiny crystal rondelles, heavy-duty jump rings, assorted jewelry making pliers, and lobster claws, earring wires, or chain of your choice. Begin by gathering bright colored beads. A lot of mine have a novelty factor to them. So bird shapes, evil eyes, heart shapes, stars, moons, just things that are fun and cheerful. I also have some rhinestone rondelles to add a little bit of glitter to what I'm doing and kind of tie them all together. I'm working in a gold color scheme, but you could certainly choose one that you prefer, like gunmetal or silver. I'm going to begin by stacking my beads on my head pin in order that I might want them. So maybe a green bead like this, a rhinestone rondelle, an evil eye, another rondelle, and a heart. And I'm going to add that to my little collection of happy charms that I've already strung. So I'm going to use my round nose pliers and hold this charm just slightly above the top of that bead with a little bit of breathing room in there. I'm going to take this top piece and wrap the pin away from me and back towards me, coming up under the pliers, really creating a nice 90-degree angle, and then beginning to twist that head pin around itself, really watching where that coil is formed, similar to how an earring head pin is tied off. 2 to 3 times, maybe even 4, and then taking it off of my round nose pliers and simply snipping off my excess wire from the head pin. In order to make this into a happy charm, we're going to use a heavy-duty jump ring. So this is going to give us that flexibility to switch this out and try it on lots of different pieces of jewelry, whether it's our chain or a lobster claw or even a hoop earring. So I'm going to use 2 pairs of flat nose or chain nose pliers and gently rotate that open, slip on my happy charm, and then just gently close it. Make sure that those are nice and flush. And there's my first one. I'm going to finish out tying off all of my other cheerful charms here. Again, just wrapping them around my round nose pliers and twisting these closed. I'm going to add a jump ring to the top of this one. And close this again with my flat nose pliers. So my preference with these has always been to add them to like a big statement lobster claw. If you don't prefer the pave, you could always use a matte colored one or just a very simple one. But you can see that you can have so much fun switching these out and trying different combinations of colors, sizes, and combos there. So thank you so much for joining me in the Beads Incorporated studio. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and be sure to check out all of my other jewelry making tutorials.